Full preparation is the key to success, which makes TYT outstanding and extraordinary. In the current era of the integration and explosion of traditional manufacturing and intelligent manufacturing, we adhere to the combination of service and production and emphasize both precision research and expansion, committed to pursuing progress while ensuring stability and making every effort to promote development. TYT Steel Pipe Company Limited creates excellent quality through innovation and develops connotation through sincere dialogue. The height of the tower is only due to the depth of the accumulator, inheriting a profound heritage of Tianjin's manufacturing industry and relying on Tianjin's hardcore advantages in foreign trade. It is located in Dachouzuan, Jinhai, Tianjin, the largest steel pipe production base in China and known as the capital of steel. TYT Steel Pipe Company Limited adheres to the business philosophy of implementing high-quality strategies and leading industry development. Established in 2007 as a high-tech enterprise specializing in steel pipe production, marketing, deep processing, and import and export trade. Up to 20 years of development. We now have 5 production factories and 1 foreign trade companies. TYT Group, Huilai International Trade Company Limited. On this 200,000 square meter factory, TYT is also equipped with 15 globally leading galvanized welded pipe production lines, 15 steel pipe deep processing production lines, and 2 environmentally friendly hot dip galvanizing production lines. The annual production and sales volume has exceeded the 1 million ton mark. Up to now, the company's service scope has covered multiple fields such as infrastructure structure, facility agriculture, photovoltaic industry, new infrastructure, high-end equipment manufacturing, transportation construction, sports equipment, etc. Our products exported to over 50 countries and regions, accelerating the realization of global layout. The product has obtained multiple domestic and international certifications, including EU, CE certification, Philippines PNS certification, Malaysia CCS certification, ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System, etc. Long-term shortlisted as one of the top 100 manufacturing enterprises in Tianjin, and also awarded numerous titles such as National Specialized, Refined, Unique, and New Smart Giant Enterprise, Tianjin Manufacturing Single Champion Enterprise, Tianjin Enterprise Technology Center, and Tianjin Famous Brand Product. The heart of the spire is only due to the focus of the cultivators. Starting a synchronous layout chapter both domestically and internationally, with galvanized welded steel pipes as the core product. Management change, production line transformation, technological innovation, and a continuous exploration of new heights in butterfly development. We independently innovate and develop the industry's first steel pipe weld detection technology and a fully automatic cutting, packaging, and weighing technology. Accelerate the pace of product, technology, and management innovation, and win the terminal markets with an upward momentum. TYT strives to become the first brand of galvanized steel pipes in the industry. After 20 years of deep cultivation and dedication, and 20 years of forging ahead, TYT has now established a towering posture, relying on the foundation of integrity, and has embarked on its own magnificent path in the steel industry. The attention at the top of the tower is only due to the foresight of the pioneers. from design and research and development to manufacturing and testing. Always seeing perfection without seeing the strictness behind it. Seeing the quality, but not the training behind it. Committed to becoming a leading enterprise integrating scientific research, production, technical services, and management innovation. TYT Steel Pipe continues to shape new momentum and advantages, composing a new chapter in the company's development through innovation and transformation. Established the industry's first research and development testing center, equipped with over 30 industry experts, conduct comprehensive testing of business products in terms of chemical elements, mechanical properties, surface characteristics, and limit tests. From raw materials to finished product inspection, TYT continuously raises the quality benchmark. Constructed an indoor storage workshop with a total area of 100,000 square meters, storing over 30,000 tons and more than 300 specifications of steel pipes. TYT ensures sufficient inventory to meet the needs of thousands of households, pioneering the adoption of intelligent logistics systems, simplifying complexity. TYT continuously improves its logistics services, including timeliness, diversity, and reliability. Pioneering single-tube single-coat technology. Each steel pipe has an independent ID card. Realize comprehensive traceability of the production process to ensure product quality is fully guaranteed. Equipped with a team of 100 marketing and professional delivery personnel, professional empowerment, timely response, and providing services with both speed and warmth. When services and technology are harmoniously integrated, when every drop of sweat and achievement surges with enthusiasm, what you see is the perseverance behind a social mission, an inheritance beyond a silent perseverance. TYT Steel Pipe believes in the power of innovation and strengthens his reputation, adhering to the core values of creating value for customers, building platforms for employees, seeking development for the company, and contributing to society. Let product spread to every corner of the world, leading the steel pipe manufacturing industry to achieve high-quality development, accumulate richly, gather momentum for the future.